Welcome to Parts HnC. Looking to enhance your career as an HVAC technician? This rewarding profession offers stability, competitive pay, and the chance to make a real difference in indoor comfort. In just 2 minutes, we'll walk you through the steps to become a skilled HVAC professional. Let's get started. An HVAC technician installs, maintains, and repairs heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, ensuring optimal performance in homes, offices, and industrial spaces. These pros are experts in electrical systems, refrigerants, and energy efficiency, delivering comfort and safety. To begin, you'll need a high school diploma or GED, followed by a formal training program from a technical school or community college, which takes 6 months to 2 years. These programs teach system design, troubleshooting, and safety protocols. Pair this with an apprenticeship for hands-on experience under seasoned technicians. Certifications are key. Consider EPA for refrigerant handling or NATE for industry excellence. Expect to invest $1,200 to $15,000 in training, plus $1,000 to $2,000 for tools. The payoff? Competitive salaries, averaging $24, $30 per hour, with top earners in states like Washington or Hawaii making up to $79,630 annually. The journey takes 9 months for certification, or up to 5 years with apprenticeships, depending on licensing requirements in your state. Visit our blog for a complete guide, including FAQs and insights on top HVAC brands. It's your one-stop resource for launching your HVAC career. Ready to start? Shop high-quality HVAC tools and parts at Parts HnC to build your toolkit. Follow us on social media for industry updates, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more career tips. Thanks for watching.